way?
Oo.
This you are vlogging.
No, right now I'm just recording. Hi, baby. $1,000. But I'm not that rich. Oh, see the daggers.
Okay. Tell me your time, okay?
Okay.
You're making a vlog, are you?
No, I just did this from my friends.
From other countries.
Stories. No, most of them, they are Peruvians.
Okay.
Kalisa. Whoa.
Or
Yeah, but nowadays that kind of transportation is
transportation.
more expensive or is still the same like jeep?
I'm not too sure. I didn't try one. For transportation, where you say Kalisa, that's the word Kalisa.